We all take some degree of risk in life and business, but we should eliminate that risk when it comes to your equipment calibration. Bad measurements lead to catastrophic consequences. These bad measurements could be used on medical equipment, airplanes, cars, seatbelts, or buildings, so your exposure and liability could be horrendous. When it comes to your force or torque equipment, you need to minimize your risk, and we'll show you how. Let's first define metrological traceability. That measurement traces back to the International System of Units, SI. For force and torque, these SI units are time, length, and mass. The pyramid starts with SI at the top, then NMI, National Metrological Institute, like NIST. If NIST did the calibration of the force weights, then the next tier would be a primary reference laboratory like Morehouse. Morehouse performs calibrations on load cells for the lower tiers, accredited calibration suppliers, followed by working standards, who in turn calibrate field equipment. Measurement uncertainty also keeps us honest. If we think about making a conformity assessment of pass or fail, the larger your measurement uncertainty, the more likely you are to fail an instrument. Using the analogy of a parking space, when your uncertainty is small, you have a parking space large enough to easily park. This small uncertainty means we have more space or range to pass an instrument. However, when your uncertainty is larger, you have less room. If the uncertainty is much larger, you have less range and sometimes no range at all to pass an instrument. Lowering your measurement uncertainties mostly depends on the performance characteristics of your equipment, the use of proper adapters, and the uncertainties of your calibration provider. Morehouse manufactures precision force measuring equipment, proper adapters, and has measurement uncertainties 10 to 50 times lower than many, which allows for lower test uncertainty ratios to pass more calibrations, increasing your customers' confidence in you. To lower your measurement uncertainty and risk, call us today.